Jai Hind everyone, my name is Kanchan and I am currently studying in class 12th with PCM. My father is currently serving in army and my mother is a homemaker. I was lucky enough to spend 2 years with my father in an army camp, and we had our apartments near the officer quarters, and there I saw officers. They are just extraordinary beings. They walk differently, they talk differently, and they have such art otherworldly presence. When I saw them, they would be wearing the most normal clothes and would enter any room, and everyone would know that they are someone special. They are someone that are to be respected, and that started my fascination with the field of defense. By the end of the 10th, I was pretty sure that what I wanted to do. I wanted to join NDA. And I started looking up for different institutions that would help me achieve my dream. And then I came across LWS. LWS has changed me since then. LWS has made me fall in love with the studying. I never liked studying much, but it has changed that. The teachers here teach us in such a fun manner that we want to study all the time. They have changed me in more ways, such as they have made me more confident. Now I can talk to anyone without any hesitation. Now I am more self-aware. I know about myself. I know about myself more. I know about my surroundings. I know about the happenings in the world, and that has shaped me in such a way that now I am. The people around me see a lot of change. Thank you.